Have you ever opened up your dishwasher and found that your dishes are still just a little too wet? Well, that's why we have this dispenser unit right here. This is used for a rinse aid rinse agent. You should fill it up once a month, just like this, or as indicated. There's a little indicator right here, whether it's full or not, and you put the cap on, lock it into place, and you're all set. Now in a moment, we're going to show you how rinse aid works. Rinse aid works by reducing the surface tension of water. So when the glasses are drying, the water beads off and it prevents streaking. Let's see how it works. So we dip the glass in here. Notice how the water is still clinging to the glass. This isn't what you want in the drying cycle. And here is the same glass going into the treated water. Notice how the water just falls off of the glass. There's no streaking or water spots. So use rinse aid to help speed up the drying process and to prevent streaking and water spots. And remember to always refer to your use and care guide and the instructions on your rinse aid.